Hi everyone. In this video we're going to be installing Mamp on Windows. In order to get the installer we're going to go to mamp.info. Mamp used to stand for Macintosh, Apache, MySQL, PHP, but since now it's for OS X and Windows, it stands for My Apache, MySQL, PHP. You can click Downloads. Make sure that you have the Windows tab selected and click Download. I'm going to cancel my download. I already downloaded it to my desktop, so I'm just going to double click the installer. If you're prompted by user account control dialog, just go ahead and click yes. Click OK for English. Click next. And I'm not interested in trying Mamp Pro, so I'm going to uncheck it and click next. And you can go ahead and read through the license agreement, and if you agree with its terms, click I accept the agreement, click next. And I'm going to leave the default installation path and click next. And everything here looks good. I'm going to click next, and I'm going to let it create a desktop shortcut icon and click next and click install. The installation process is going to take a little bit, so I'm going to pause the video and come back when the installation is finished. So now that the installation is finished, I can go ahead and click finish, and I can double click this shortcut to launch the app. Or if you can't find it, you can go to start menu, all apps, navigate to the M, and it's going to be right here. So this is the dashboard for the Mamp, and you can see preferences, open start page, which is going to launch like a welcome page to Mamp. And you can see right here it has localhost / Mamp, and here we can see our info, PHP info, which is the configuration of our PHP. We can see the host name for MySQL, the port number, the username, the password, and even an example in PHP and how to connect it to MySQL. In the preferences right here, we have to start the servers when Mamp is starting and to stop the servers when quitting Mamp. I'm going to check that, and this is our start page URL. Right here we have the ports. So Apache listens to port 80, and MySQL listens to port 3306. And if you're having a problem with Apache, like if you're running Skype uses port 80, so you can go ahead and click on set Mamp ports to default, and it's gonna put it to be 8888. Right here we have the PHP versions, which is 5.6 or 5.5.24. So I'm going to leave it at the latest version. And we're going to talk in a little bit about the document root. And I can click OK to save the configuration. And as you can see, it's restarting the servers right now. So I changed the ports, and the only difference between port 80 and port 8888 is that I have to add :8888 after localhost in order to be able to navigate to my server. So if I took that away and tried like the other time, it's not gonna load anything. So I'm just gonna reset that to 80 and 3306, and it's just going to restart the servers. Every time we do anything in preferences, it's going to have to restart the servers. And click on open start page, and it's going to load without the :8888. So what is the document root? The document root is located in your Mamp's folder in HD docs. And right here, whenever I ask Apache for a page, like let's say phpinfo.php, it's going to look in that specific folder. So let's go ahead and create a new file, and we're going to call it phpinfo.php. And yes, we're sure that we want to change the file name extension, and we can just use Notepad for now. I can look for other applications in Notepad, and you can just type in $PHP space PHP info, open a bracket and close it, semicolon space greater than, and save that. Go to your web browser and type in localhost/phpinfo.php. Click enter. And as you can see, there is my configuration again. So PHP info is basically bringing the configuration of PHP on my machine. So if you got to that point, congratulations, you've installed Mamp correctly. I'm going to see you in the next video, and until then, happy programming.